Hi, good good day. What is today? Wednesday. Hi, Dude 42. How are you? All right, straight to the point. All right, welcome in, welcome in. Where we are, a system administrator needs to clone the partition /dev/sdc12. You see it. Which command will accomplish this task? Welcome in, welcome in is Linux Day. Apparently everybody's favorite. All the IT personnel's favorite. All right, we have 1C from Dude 42. Welcome in, welcome in. If you're planning on taking the Linux certification, please do answer the questions. Gauge yourself. If you don't understand something, please do ask the questions, all right? Okay, so we have D. Oh, wow. We have C. We have 4 Ds. Okay, what's the answer?
The answer would be C.
I figured. I figured dude got this right. D is remote. Okay. All right, so why is it not D?
So, the question is saying that
welcome in.
A system administrator needs to clone the partition, right, so this is the partition, right?
Okay.
Or want to clone a whole disk.
Okay.
Right? It's similar scenario, right?
Okay.
So, the question is not requiring you to copy a file.
Okay.
You want to make a clone of a disk or a partition.
Okay.
Right? So compare that to making a photocopy of a book.
Okay.
Versus copying the content of a book.
Okay.
Right? When you make a photocopy, right, it basically gives you the exact same structure. Right? However, if you copy, you can copy and paste it anyhow you want. Right? So that is how it is, right? So DD will just give you byte by byte, exact same copy. We don't really care. We don't really care the content of the file, right? If you make a photocopy, you have the margins, you have the spaces, right? It's all exactly the same as the book.
Right? Okay. Raphael is asking, welcome in. Raphael is asking, what distro is this?
Oh, so
does it make a difference?
No, I mean it makes different distributions have different commands and all that.
Okay.
But I believe DD works on all distribution.
Oh, okay.
If someone knows otherwise, let me know. But
does
I think
DD
worked on most distribution.
The experienced people on commands. Okay. Well, welcome in.
No, go ahead.
As we come in, this is Tech Talk with Sakwe. Every day of the week is a different certification. Curated for people breaking newly into IT, or if you're already in IT and you're planning on taking a certification, we ask that you stop on by, answer the questions, and see how well you're answering. If you find yourself answering with ease, hold on, somebody said B. Hi, Mercy. If you find yourself answering with ease, you know that you're working, you know that you're ready for the certification. If you're struggling a little bit, some polishing is needed before you go ahead and take the certification. Hi, Avivo. So please answer the questions. All I ask is you be respectful. Other than that, I will block you. This is Raymond. That's all his certifications up there. Over 30 certification, including all his AWS and CISSP. Tomorrow is going to be Security Plus. Friday is going to be Cloud Plus. Saturday, AWS Cloud Practitioner. Sunday, AZ 900. Monday, Comptia A Plus. Tuesday, Network Plus. Okay? So welcome in. If you're not following, follow. Somebody said B. Why is it not B?
So B specifically is...
You should retake it, bio.
Yeah.
Sorry.
B is rsync, right? It's used to copy files and folders to remote end.
Okay.
However, one of the features of rsync is it can automatically sync those files and folders in those two locations.
Okay.
So if I copy a file or a folder into a remote system using rsync, right? If there's an update to the folder, it's automatically going to sync or show up on the other end as well, right?
Okay.
So that is rsync. So it's for file, not the whole disk.
Okay.
Right. So that was the differences here. Right?
All right. Shaz says he works with Ubuntu. He's a Linux operator or something like.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I don't know. I don't think administrator.
Okay.
He said operator. Dude says B is also generally for remote copying, but is like SCP. It operates at the file level.
There you go.
And then
Good,
Raphael said
good.
C. D. Oh, the answer is C for the people that just
Yeah.
came in. The answer is C. All right. So as you go to the next.
Yeah. So
question.
DD is Is it duplicate disk? I don't remember on top of my head,
Okay.
but someone said duplicate disk.
Oh, that's what DD means.
Yeah.
Oh, so okay. Usually, okay. It was Chavez, right?
Okay.
I am a RHA,
Red Hat.
Red Hat, Ubuntu, and
Administrator.
Oracle
Okay.
Linux. And
Okay.
sounds very fancy. Hi, Dylan. Hi, AB Schmidt. How are you? The answer was C.
C.
It was C. Okay. As he goes to the next question.
Nice.
Tomorrow's going to be, Thursday's going to be Security Plus, you know. I like security. Linux is a headache, so. Welcome in.
All right, so this one is a little lengthy,
Okay.
but let's see.
Okay, so Raphael said it's duplicated disk or data description.
Oh, okay, description. Okay.
All right. Somebody said, I forgot DD.
Oh,
It's
too much.
It's too long.
But it's a good question. It's a very
Okay,
good
so then
question.
can you make your screen bigger, let it cover us a little bit, and then
Cover
go
us?
back?
Okay.
Go
That
back a
works.
little bit.
That works. Let's try that.
That is quite a long question.
I know.
Okay. Welcome in. If you're not following, follow. I see you figured out how to make the screen bigger. No?
No.
All right.
It's a good question.
Okay.
But anyways, that's fine.
Can you do section by section?
We can't, but remember, other people just join.
Oh.
Yeah. We'll just
I mean,
jump
but
in
let the
the
people
middle.
that are on answer. Right, Control L and then scroll up. Plus scroll up.
Okay. All right.
I don't know what that means. Control.
Element of scroll. Oh,
Yeah.
let's hold on.
But no, do
That's
do a section by section.
Yeah,
After they
okay.
finish, and then we go to the next one.
All right, so let me see.
Save that you saying is a good question.
Output. Okay.
Sorry guys, the screen
Hi.
is too small.
So let me see. Is it that?
Can you
too
see it? I think
small?
you can see it.
See, right? Okay.
Yeah, you can see it. We'll start off with the first
So
one.
yeah,
and then
let's
we'll
do that.
All right. So when trying to log in remotely to a server, a user receives the following message: password, last fail logged in, last failed login, and then that's the login. There are 3 failed login attempts since the last successful login connection to localhost. The server administrator is investigating the issue and receives the following outputs. That's the output. Should we scroll? All right, okay, let's scroll to outputs. All right. Raphael, how long have you been? I don't know. How long have you been doing Linux for?
I mean, for a while.
What's
for
a
a
while?
while.
Like 5, 10 years, 6 years?
Yeah, at least 10 years. I
Hey.
mean, for every job role that I've worked in,
So
I
for
use
every
Linux,
job
yeah.
role he's worked
So,
in.
Yes, and the use cases varies, right?
Okay.
Yeah, I don't use every command on every job role,
Okay.
right? So yeah,
Alright.
but yeah.
All right, scroll.
Okay.
All right. I'm hoping that you know, I wasn't reading, so I'm hoping that you read it.
This is a little lengthy. Yeah, this is a
Wiz
little
Khalifa.
lengthy.
Is it the real Wiz Khalifa? He's about to start rapping. Where is his beat?
Yeah, it's a little.
Okay. Did you get the question?
Let's probably take a different question.
Oh.
But if someone gets it, then fine. If not,
Okay. Oh, wait. Dude said D.
D. Okay. Wrong. Okay, so wrong show.
Okay.
All right.
Any other takers? Okay, we have to figure out a way to post the question back again. But yeah, so D.
Okay.
Why is it D? Oh, is the answer D?
Login.
Welcome in. This is Tech Talk with Masako. Every day of the week is a different certification. Oh, Raphael, so can he read? Right? Can he read the question again?
Yes.
Okay. Apologies, this is not the ideal way, but this is such a long question.
It is a long question. Yeah. So basically, it's saying that a user okay, so yeah, when trying to log into a server, remote into a server, this is the information that was received, right? Last failed login, right? And it gives you this information, right?
Oh, okay. The Linux people are speaking. Raphael says the user has a non-interactive shell, like bin/false, assigned to their account. Okay. Sergeant says it's D. Hey, Sergeant, how are you? Chavez says he's trying to connect via SSH service, no TT. Can y'all speak English? No TTY. Yeah. Log says wrong password. Okay, so unanimously it looks like it's D.
Okay.
I'm staying D as well.
So now when the system administrator, right, runs command, right, to view, I think it's /etc/passwd, right, to view the users, right, and this is a result that system administrator got, right, and one noticeable thing that you have to notice as well is /bin/false,
which is what somebody said, Raphael.
Yeah, so the answer is D, right? The user has the wrong shell assigned to the account. Okay. Right? So, yeah, so with shell, so the shell is basically, I guess, an interface that allows the user to communicate with the operating system. Okay. Right? So that is the shell, right? Okay. There's a few shells out there, right? We have the bash shell, and I think it's born again shell, right? That's bash shell. We have the SH, we have the Z shell, right, and a few more, right?
That's a born again shell.
but /bin/false is not one of the shells, right? So that was the false issue. Yeah, bin/false.
Okay. Right. Chavez says I check with where is false first, or man false or false help. Oh, okay. And then Dude 42 says it's the application running inside the terminal.
It's
the application running inside the terminal. Okay. And then all right, I don't know what Raphael is saying. It's the bins is Cahoots one of the shells?
Which one?
Right here, Raphael.
chroot.
Oh, I said Cahoots.
I haven't heard of chroot. I haven't heard of chroot.
He said if he spelled it correctly, so is there some sort of root?
Not that I know of. I'm not sure if anyone.
Anybody knows?
Yeah, chroot.
Do educate us. Okay.
No, not that I haven't seen that before.
You haven't seen?
No.
All right. All right. Welcome in. Okay, Dude says chroot changes the root of the file system for a process.
Okay.
Oh, cool.
So that is not a shell.
Oh, so it's not a shell. So it's a root.
To maintain Docker container too. Okay.
Oh, cool. All right. Welcome in. If you have any questions, please do extra questions. Other than that, he's going to go to the next one. The people in the chat are highly knowledgeable people, as you can tell. So in the event that you have any questions, if you're planning on taking a certification, ask the questions, okay? There's no such thing as a dumb question over here. Believe you me, I'll ask the dumb questions for you. All I ask is you're respectful. Other than that, I will block you. Okay, but welcome in. This is Tech Talk with Sakura. Today is Linux Plus. Every day of the week is a different certification. Tomorrow, Thursday, is Security Plus. Friday is Cloud Plus. Saturday is AWS Cloud Practitioner. Sunday is AZ900. Monday is Comptia Plus. Tuesday is Network Plus. Wednesday, Linux Plus. Okay. So again, this is Raymond. That's all his certifications up there. Over 30 certification, including CSSP. All his AWS certifications. Some of the Comptia. You see it up there. So. If you have any questions, please do ask the questions. And if you want to watch it again, it's going to be on YouTube. Same name. Hi, Curious Joe. All right. A new Linux system administrator just generated SSH keys to allow connection to server. Which of the following commands can be used to copy a key file to remote servers? Choose two. Okay. Gain D221 says the answer is D.
So, but it should be
choose two.
So
D and something else. Okay, D and F. Okay.
DNF.
Do says DNF.
DNF.
Okay. Don't let the experienced people bully you, okay? If you think it's something else, do say it. Where's Chocolate? Chocolate's not here yet. All right, we have D and F. Any other takers? All right. Chavez didn't say nothing yet. I'm not sure if Chavez is still there. Chavez. Am I saying your name right? Okay, what's the answer, please?
All right, so the answer would be D and F.
DNF.
Yeah, D and F.
Okay.
So yes, it's a Linux system administrator just generated SSH key to allow connection to a server. So when it comes to remoting into or SSHing into a system,
That's remoting? SSH?
I'm SSHing specifically, right? There's other remote options, right?
You did. How was the class? Hold on. SSH, is it port 443?
No.
Oh, man, I was trying to be cool.
It's
Oh.
SS.
22.
Yes.
22.
SS, okay.
22. Port 22. Okay, sorry.
So when SSHing into a Linux system, right? You have two main options, and maybe there might be other options, but yeah, I know of two main options. Either you use a username and password to log in, or you generate SSH key.
Okay.
Right. So with the username and password, anytime you try to SSH into the system, you have to type in your username and password.
Okay.
Right? However, with SSH key, right, what happens is you're going to generate an SSH key on your system, right? So remember, my system here is Mac OS, right? So I'm going to generate the SSH key on my system, right? Which is, I think, is it keygen? I don't remember.
Yeah, it says key pair.
Key pair, right? So it's going to give you two keys, right? One private and one public. It's going to generate that. And the next step is to what? Is to send the public to the remote system that you want to log in.
Okay.
Right? So once there's a copy of the public key and the private key is on your system, anytime you are SSHing into the remote system, it's not going to ask you for any password.
Okay.
Right? It will automatically log you in because you have that key pair.
Okay. It sounds like remember password, but okay. Yacht says .pem and .ppk.
Two different formats. So that PM and that PPK. I think that PPK is usually for what's the software? Party, and then the PM is just your regular SSH. Yeah, correct me if I'm wrong. I think
Okay.
that PP. Yeah, Party. There you go.
Party. Okay.
Yeah, PPK is
Do
usually for the
says
Party.
FTP is the F is the hold on. Let me go.
Okay, so the PAM is used on AWS. Yeah, and yeah, it's used on AWS as well.
Okay, FTPD is the FTP server. WGT pulls from the web server.
There you go.
SSH key gen creates their
The
key.
key, right? So yeah, so wget.
What
So
did he say?
so so with Linux, right? Linux command line, right? If you want to get data from online, right? You can use the wget wget command to download from internet, right? Or you can use this CURL, right? It's also a command to get content online.
Okay.
Right. So yeah, so
All right. Welcome in. If you're not following, follow. Today is Wednesday, so Wednesday is Linux Plus. Thursday is going to be Security Plus. Ella has a question. Ella says, new to tech here. What search should I start for a network and security specialist?
okay. So I mean, so the basic ones, right? If you don't have any experience, new to tech. Okay, so
Oh, thanks, William.
do you have any sort of educational background, like associates? Because I know you said new to, so I'm not too sure if you're in college now or.
Let me go see
What
this
is-
Ella. This Ella looks highly familiar.
I know.
I
know, right?
What is the D?
Yeah, I think.
S. It was D and F, right?
Yeah, DNF.
Okay.
DNF.
All right, I should go to the next question.
All right, so I have the next question.
Oh no, it's not that Ella. I'm sorry.
I'm
That's a
sorry.
different Ella.
Wrong
Sorry.
person. I'm sorry.
Wait. QS just says I'm confused. SCP is secure copy.
Yeah, secure
It's
copy.
secure copy. Okay.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, next question, right?
All right. Next question. Yes. So yeah, today is today is Linux Plus. Tomorrow is Security Plus. Friday is Cloud Plus. Saturday is AWS Cloud Practitioner. Sunday is AZ 900. Monday. Sunday is Mondays Comptia A Plus, Tuesday is Network Plus. So long story short, if you're not following, follow. We go live 9 p.m. Eastern time. The idea is that if you're planning on taking a certification, come on in here. Hi, Borgon, where have you been? The dog ate your homework. So get it wrong here so you can get it right on the exams. Okay, so that's just all this is about. And if you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask your question. There's highly knowledgeable people in the chat. Okay. If Raymond doesn't get to it or if I don't read it on time. Okay. Hi, Brazil. I heard your World Cup song. Okay. I was dancing to it with the World Cup song and that and France. Did you hear France's World Cup song? Bacola. All right. A system administrator needs to reconfigure a Linux server to allow persistent IP4 packet forwarding. Which command is the correct way to accomplish this task? Okay, princess. Hi, Alabama. Oh, wow. I like it. I really love that you guys are telling us where. Hi, Senegal. Well, hi from where are we? New York, Connecticut, New Jersey. The question is not apparent to you?
It's not?
Oh, thank you for telling us.
Right. Hold on.
Just for 1 second. He's going to change it up.
Okay.
Arlington, Virginia.
Oh, really? Okay.
We were visiting Norfolk, Virginia. It's quite deep in there. Very far.
Okay.
Is it clear now?
Yeah, okay. I think
Okay.
it should be
All
okay
right.
now. All right.
All right. I'm gonna read it one last time. Then, U.S. East. Wait. That's the. Don't tell me. That's the something zone for AWS. Availability zone. Region.
And where is it?
Virginia. Right? Only because
Not
somebody said Virginia.
Virginia,
Somebody said Virginia, so I figured it makes sense. All right, so a system administrator needs to reconfigure a Linux server to allow persistent IPv4 packet forwarding. Which command is the correct way to accomplish this task? Ooh, Dude 42 said it's many places. In the answer? Really? Okay. Grin is gain 221 says B. Okay. B. Oh, okay. Wait. I can't tell if dude is talking about this or what I said before. Regions are made up from data centers in an area. Oh. Okay, you're correcting me. Availability zone is one zone. Thank you. We're in place. Alright, so we have B. It looks like we have two B's.
Two B's and then that's right.
Well, three. What? Oh, Morgan said D. Okay, B is the answer here. All right. So between B and D, what's the answer?
All right. So the answer would be B.
B. Okay.
So the sysctl, right? It's a way of writing to the kernel parameter, right?
The who?
Kernel parameter.
Is everybody supposed to know what a kernel is?
Yeah, in a way.
Okay.
In a way.
All right. So what is a kernel for the rest of us that don't know what a kernel is?
So basically, it's the interface between the hardware and then the OS.
Kernel. Okay.
Kernel.
I'm sorry. I said kernel.
Yeah.
Excuse the accent.
All right. So so it's basically the interface between the hardware and the OS, right?
Okay.
So there are few parameters that you can change, right? An example is the IPv4 forwarding, right? There's a few more. I think it's sysctl list or L. It gives you a few parameters.
John says OS. I think he said OS. Okay. So that's the kernel. The kernel
and the OS. Okay,
OS.
Between the hardware and then the OS. Yes.
Okay.
CTL -L. Let's see if we list.
Okay.
No, that's okay.
Programmers in two modes: user mode, or kernel mode. Okay.
All right. So this is the command to use to write to the kernel parameter.
Okay.
Right. I believe A probably would also work.
Mm-hmm.
However, that wouldn't be a permanent configuration.
Okay.
Yeah, if anyone has more insights on that, but yeah,
Okay.
I think it would still work. So echo one, basically push one into this file.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, Morgan said D. Why isn't that D?
So D is, so basically you are starting a services, right? If you are starting a services, you use system CTL, or starting a process, right?
Mm-hmm.
System CTL start and then the process name. I don't think IPv4_forwarding is even a legit process. So that wouldn't be the answer.
Okay, Curious Joe says correct. Echo would go away after reboot.
There you go. Okay, good.
And then 221 says for A, when a server reboots, config disappears.
There you go.
All right.
Right. So it would have still worked. Mm-hmm. However, if you want to make it persistent or survive reboots, then you use the sysctl.
Okay, got it. All right, welcome in. Okay. Do says with a few exception, all hardware interface through kernel threads are all user programs need to use a kernel API server call netlink. I have no idea what the language that dude is speaking, but I hope everybody gets it. Welcome in. This is Tech Talk with Sakwe. Every day of the week is a different certification, aka the IT study room. Today is Wednesday, so Wednesday is Linux Plus, Thursday Security Plus, Friday is Cloud Plus, Saturday is AWS Cloud Practitioner, Sunday is AZ 900, Monday Super Parlay is A plus. Hi Metro. Monday is A plus. Oh, kind of like popcorn. Thank you. I was thinking that, but I don't want to say it out there. Thank you. All right. Monday is Comptia A plus Super Parlay. So if you're not following, follow so you could join us. See how well you answer the question, right? Tuesday is Network Plus as well. So if you find yourself planning to take the certification, ideas that you come on in, answer the question, see how well you're answering. If you find yourself answering with ease, you know you're ready for the certification. If you're struggling a little bit, some polishing is needed before you go ahead and take the certification. This is Raymond. Jennifer Raymond has over 30 plus. Jennifer, wow, 30. I'm on all 30.
No coffee, right?
No coffee. CSSP is not here. A 30 plus certification, including CSSP and all his AWS certification, right? Do you have or know any discounts code for AWS exams? Do they give discount codes?
I mean, not that I know of. However, if you take their first certification, right? So let's say if you take the cloud practitioner, right? And you are taking the next certification, you automatically get 50% off, but you have to use a code. Okay. Yeah, but I don't know of any discount. No, not that I know of.
You would like to work with you.
How can I apply for a job? Oh, stay tuned.
No, tell him to employ me first. After I get on payroll.
She's on intern, so unpaid internship.
After I get on payroll.
XC Linux. Yep, it is.
What happened? What's that?
That's the question. The question.
Yeah,
this is a unique
okay.
Unique tool. But
anyways. Unique tools. I didn't. 223 hype. How are you? We're doing well today. We are about in the third question, so you're not that late. Somebody said how to get into networking. Any tips on how to get into networking? Yeah, I mean, so with networking specifically, I always recommend starting from scratch if you don't have any experience, right? So, go through A plus, right? But if you have some sort of IT background, don't worry about that. You can go straight to Network Plus, right? And then now you can add or you can move on to Cisco route, right? For network specific, right? Cisco has a good networking certification. So so when you say Cisco route, where is the person supposed to go to get the Cisco route? I mean, you can just look up Cisco certification, right? One of the base certification is the CCNA. Hi, right? Joseph. So you can start off with that. Okay. All right. Let me read the question. An administrator deployed a Linux server running a web application on port 6379/TCP. Is it SE Linux or C Linux? SC Linux. XE Linux. Yeah. XE Linux is in forced mode. The port is open on a firewall. User gets error 13, permission denied. Which command resolves this issue? Okay. All right. No center, no life. Dude 42 said also put a small lab together. Get a small managed switch.
Oh, okay. I mean,
to practice.
Yeah. I mean, with the CCNA or Cisco route, you need a lot of hands-on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So the Cisco route will help you get hands-on.
You need a lot of hands-on.
All right. So we have B, we have C, we have B or C.
Okay.
All right.
C.
Hi, Nick.
Okay.
Thanks for sharing the live. That's one thing I don't even say. If you know somebody that's trying to get into this route as well, please do share the live as well. Okay. My goal is to be an influencer. What's the answer?
That is the good catch. 42.
What did 42 say?
So,
I think C is missing the switch. You need to specify the type.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
Scott said B. Okay, what's the answer?
Yeah. So the answer will be B.
Okay.
Right. So let's talk about SC Linux. So it says an administrator deploy a Linux server running a web application, right, on port 6379 TCP port /TCP. Do you remember the the port for web application, which is usually HTTP?
443.
443 is HTTPS, right? So the standard port will be what? 443 or what? SC Linux sucks. 443 or what? Port 80, right? That is the standard port that everybody knows, right? Okay. However, this administrator don't want to use the standard port. Want to use a different port.
Why? Also, why did they say 6379 /TCP? Is there another 6379?
UDP, because there's two protocols, TCP and UDP.
Okay.
Transmission control protocol and then user datagram protocol.
Datagram protocol.
So one is connection oriented, which is a TCP, and then the other one is connectionless, right? But anyways, and that's where the three-way handshake comes in. All right, so the administrator doesn't want to run on the standard port anymore, right? Okay. So they want to use this port, right? So SC Linux is in enforcing mode. The port is open on the firewall, right? So that is another keyword, right? User gets this permission error, right? So SC Linux is actually all security.
I was gonna ask why Dude 42 why he said it sucks, but so just to confirm, the answer was Amir.
Was B.
It was B. It was B. Okay, what is SE Linux for the rest of us?
I mean, I think those that are in the government or federal sector, they use this
FedRAM.
No, that is compliance, but so they use SC Linux, I believe, a lot, right?
Okay.
So SC Linux enforces mandatory access control, MAC.
Okay.
Right. There's a few controls out there, right? We have the discretionary access control, which means if I create a file on a Linux server, I can decide who to have access to those files. Okay. Right? So that is it. Right? I can set that permission as a user. Right? However, so that is discretionary, which means it's under the discretion of the user that created the file. I have permission to share with anyone that I want. Right? Okay. That is discretionary. And we have the mandatory access control, which means that I don't really care what the owner is saying. Okay. Right? There's one policy that controls everything. Okay. Right? So if I create a file and I share with you, right? And administrator set up SC Linux, which is mandatory access control, and says that no one will have access to the file. You're not going to have access to the file. Okay. That's it, right?
So which is what I believe, I forgot who said it, but it says it's mostly, Curious Joe said it's mostly SC Linux is mostly security.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, mainly security.
There was a few things before you get to what you were gonna say. What somebody wanted to know what is the -T means.
That is TCP.
The -T.
Oh.
Here. You see the -T in the answer choice? It says B, right? It says what is that? SE managed port -A-T HTTP. So that's the -T. Is that what you're talking about, Scott? In that one right there.
-T. So we have -A -T.
Okay. It's B. Yes, the answer is B. But Robert, it means type, right?
Yeah, type. Yeah, okay, type.
Okay. All right, hold on. Hold
Type
on.
of resources,
Somebody said the question.
which is HTTP.
Oh, wait. I'm sorry. Somebody asked the question. Bring it back, okay? But all right, so just to confirm, the answer was B. Okay, Quap says SE Linux is the first line of defense for the system. Is that what you said? It's first line of defense for the system, and then...
Is the first line of defense?
And Do says if SE Linux is stepping in against an attacker, then the attacker has gotten pretty far.
Exactly. So yeah, I don't think it should be the first line.
Oh, so it's the last line?
I would say.
Oh, is it?
I would say.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it? How do you pronounce that? Is it SE Manage or Samaj?
SE Manage.
Like, what is it?
SE Manage.
SE Manage.
Yeah,
okay.
Samaj.
I don't know. All right. Dude says the command is setting TCP port 6379 as the type. HTTP. What do you ask?
So yeah. So that is it, right? So that is the SE Linux, right?
Okay.
Mandatory access control.
Okay.
So I don't care what permission you have set. I'm gonna override that, right?
Okay.
So that is files, right? So there's SC Linux for files. I think it's SC manage FACL, file access control, right? That is for files. This specific one that we are seeing here is for port, right? Okay. So regardless of what your firewall settings is, right? It wouldn't. You have to make sure it's the same settings on what? On the SC Linux, right? So remember, on the standard port for HTTP is what? Port 80 and port 443, right? So by default, I believe SC Linux already have that what? Enabled, right? However, if you want to open up a different port, right, you have to make sure that the SC Linux is aware of that, right? By using the -A, basically to add it to HTTP underscore port underscore T, right? So that is it, right? So the answer will be B.
The answer is B. Okay, thanks, Raphael. Raphael said a few things. B is correct because it adds -A, which requires type T to the port. I think that's what you just said, I believe. And then D deletes. Okay, somebody says what port's best to DDoS?
So what port
Best?
is best for
what ports is, okay, sorry.
distributed denial of service? I mean, is there a specific port? If there is, then yeah, I'm not aware of that.
Okay.
I mean, I think you can use any port for denial of service.
Right. UDP attack. Okay, 23. Big size is 23. Is that what you're saying? There's no specific port.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Not that I know of.
All right. Joe says think of XE Linux like local police for Windows.
Okay.
Local
Okay.
police is for Windows.
Local police for Windows.
Okay.
Okay. And how? Okay.
Port 80 for HTTP, and 443 for HTTPS. Okay. All right. As he goes to the next question. Okay. Do said it's so weird when a process runs. It runs in a context, and the SE Linux compares the context to the labels on resources.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah. So that is how the
okay.
SC Linux works.
All
I mean, there's so many.
It sounds like
Yeah. So many to SC Linux.
Oh, okay. Welcome in, Principal DevOps Engineer. Your knowledge is highly welcome for the rest of us who are learning. So do participate. CRNAD add says just a random question. What server should I use when I just want to use it for hosting web app?
Web app. The two. What server? Oh, I mean, not what package. What server? I don't think there's any specific server. Is it for just your internal testing or just like enterprise level web app? Like everyone else will have access to, right? Then I would recommend using a cloud system instead of setting on your own server. Right?
Okay. All right. Is the
Okay,
HTTPD?
Yeah, that is the process for web application. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, HTTPD or HTTP. No, Nginx. Nginx is also a web. Yeah, web app
You said you
process.
could use EC2 on AWS.
Yeah.
Okay.
EC2, and yeah, you can do that. And I mean, depending on the application that you are creating, right? So if it's a static web app, right? I think S3 can even set up static websites, right? So just
S3.
yeah, so you just upload your
Hi,
HTML file
Mm-hmm.
and your JavaScript and all that, and then yeah, you can use it as a static web app.
Okay. All right. As you go to the next question, this is TikTok Woman Sakwe, aka the IT Study Room. Every day of the week is a different certification. Hi, Kwame. Every day of the week is a different certification. Today is Wednesday, so Wednesday is Linux Plus. Thursday is Security Plus. Friday is Cloud Plus. Saturday is AWS Cloud Practitioner. Sunday is AZ900. Hi, Ahmad. The answer was B. Saturday's, what did I say? Oh, I'm sorry. Monday is Comptia A Plus. Tuesday is Network Plus. Long story short, if you're not following, follow. If you're planning on taking the certification, we ask that you stop on and answer the question, see how well you're answering, engage yourself. If you find yourself answering with ease, you know you're ready for the certification. If you're struggling a little bit, some polishing is needed before you go ahead and take the certification. Hey, Red. So the people in the chat, as you can tell, are highly knowledgeable people, okay? So please do ask your questions, because there's no such thing as a dumb question. The dumb question is the one you do not ask, okay? So, all I ask is that you're respectful. If you're not, I will block you. I'm Jennifer. That's Raymond. He has over 30 plus certification. All his AWS certification, including CSSP, you know, the ones up there. Okay, so, and if you want to watch it again, full video will be on YouTube. All right. A system administrator wants to back up the directory /data and all its context to backup /data on a remote server named remote. Which command achieves the desired effect?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
So in this scenario here, right?
I'm glad you gave the disclaimer. Hamad would say, hurry up. So,
So yeah, so in this specific type of question, right? So the commands are unique,
okay.
right? So it will be a little easier to know what the answer is, right?
Okay.
So the command, and also you have to look at the flags, right? So this is -p, this is -I.
Oh,
this
I
is
learned the flags
-A,
all the time. Okay.
-R, right?
Okay. Okay. Hi, Mark. Okay. Oh, is that what you're learning, Mark?
It's a good strategy for yeah, it is. Right? Don't waste your brain cells to read every single one of them. Right?
Oh, okay.
So if you know
what you just said.
Yeah, if you know that a command is not relevant to what we're doing, don't even look at it. Right.
Okay, cool.
Right.
I'm glad that helped. I didn't know what he was talking about. Okay, so we have C and B. Somebody said something
C
earlier.
and B.
Udemy. Okay. RG guy said, how do you manage to study and get? I can tell you because he pulls all-nighters. Okay, there's a book I should show you that there's so much books that I actually have to get a library. So that's that. Yeah, it's an expensive hobby. That's just what it is. It's a very expensive hobby he has. But I mean, no, rather than drinking or something. So that's cool. Oh yeah, he's a Marine too. That works. He's a Marine.
What does that mean?
I guess you guys have a very different mindset. Who knows? Are you a Marine too, Dude 42? Oh, what's the answer? I'm sorry, so we get sidetracked. What's the answer?
All right, so we have B and what?
We have B and C. Yes.
Okay.
Is that not
so
the answer?
The answer is C.
Okay.
The answer is C.
So why is it?
Why are we using B?
Mm-hmm. Oh, Air Force.
Oh, okay,
Interesting.
okay.
Well, thank you for your service. Okay, why are we so? Well, obviously they said B because they don't know. Now, can you tell us why isn't that B?
So I mean, B is saying what? SSH, right?
Okay.
And it's using the -I, right?
Okay.
Which is the identity key file, right? Which doesn't have any. Even with regular SSH, right? If you SSH, I don't think I use SSH to copy to the remote end, right? If it's SCP, that would be what? That would be an option, right?
Okay.
But this SCP is missing -R, which is recursive. So remember, this is what you are copying a folder, right? Command is just.
I was trying to read the comments.
Wrong.
Okay, so Guy 7, I see your question. I'm gonna get back to it. Scott says SSH isn't this secure shell. Ed says I thought you said remote server. Does that make a difference what you said about a remote server?
Okay, on a remote server.
Name remote. Okay, he said that makes sense after you said something. Okay, and then Hamad says backup content should be remote, and the dude says the SP comment is just plain wrong. Okay, so just to confirm, the answer is
C.
C. Okay, can you explain why it's C?
So yeah, remote sync. I think we did talk about that. It's a services or a command that allows you to back up data from one server to the next, right?
Okay.
And a feature of our sync is it can also automatically sync any changes that is or modification that is made on the original location to the remote end. Right?
Okay. Hamas says Ray. I think rsync is what he said is utility. Utility to copy and synchronize. Okay. All right. Okay.
Right. No. Right.
Okay.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay. All right. Okay. So what's his name wants to know. Hold on. Sorry. I'm trying to keep in touch. All right. So, R40 says, did you pass all the certification the first time, or were there some that you failed?
Right.
You scheduled AZ900, so we do AZ900 on Sundays. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So, was there some you failed?
Yes, I failed.
Which one did you fail?
I think so. When I was starting up, I think I failed.
When you were starting up, what year were you?
Who cares about year? But anyways.
Okay.
Yeah, so I think I failed the.
No, he actually passed CSSP the first time. Let me tell you.
Yeah.
So CSSP, sure, go for your question. For CSSP, he thought he was gonna fail, so he bought the 2 pass, right?
Yeah, take
2 1. Yeah, but it was the first try.
Yeah.
A shout out to me.
I know. I was gonna probably take 2-3 extra months to study.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I did fail the I think the A+ core.
Oh, you did?
Core 1 or core 2, one of them.
Really?
I did fail that. And also I failed the CCNA. So CCNA is 2 different certifications.
Okay.
ICND1 and ICND2. Similar to the Comptia A+, right? So I took the 2 versions. So core 1, core 2 will make up the certification.
Okay.
CCNA2, yeah, I think I failed the ICND1 or ICND2, one of them.
This is when you first started, like back in college? Oh, okay, back in college.
So yeah.
Okay.
I mean, yeah, so I've
Have you ever taken Red Hat? Have you ever taken
No.
You never taken Red Hat? Okay, he hasn't taken Red Hat yet. Okay, apologies if I missed your question. No, the answer was B.
C. C. I'll sync.
The answer was C.
I'll sync.
Okay. All right, so Ed says, I guess I can replace the remote with system IP. Can they replace the word remote with system IP?
Remote, talk about system IP.
What were you in college?
So that, I mean, remote with system ID. Yeah, you can still use the.
Somebody says
the
yes.
IP. Yeah.
Okay, Smoke says yes.
Yeah, you can use the IP.
Really? Okay. I don't know how to say your name, so I'm gonna call you VD. Okay, if that's okay.
I
VD
know.
says Red Hat is one of the best certs in my opinion.
Hands down. You're right. No, you're right.
Okay.
You're
So
right.
Red Hat is for people that want to do what in IT specifically?
System administration specifically. Yeah.
But
Linux system administration.
Linux system administration specifically. So okay. So
I mean, there might be other use cases. I mean, like every other certification or technology, it's it's a helping or auxiliary certification or helping certification.
Which one is CentOS? CentOS is the daddy.
Yeah, CentOS is
CentOS.
is the I don't want to say free version of Red Hat, but it has the same
all right. So if you want to be a Linux administrator,
and Kubernetes. Okay, yeah. So yeah, any certification that requires any job role that requires Linux, Red Hat is perfect.
The best way to go.
Yeah,
okay.
it's perfect. So yeah, DevOps, you need Linux, right? Yeah.
All right. So all the people that want to go the DevOps route, please look for
Red Hat.
Red Hat. Okay.
Yeah, and it's one of it's widely used as well, right?
Okay.
It's one of the hardest certification, right?
Oh,
so
is it? Okay.
if you want to jump straight in, by all means, right? However, if you want to build up, right, that works as well, right? Because if you dive straight into the difficult certification, like, and you fail, your motivation will go down. Right? You wouldn't, you wouldn't feel like taking the certification again, right?
That's for sure.
So don't rush into it, right? So if you are new to Linux, my recommendations was take the Linux class, see how it feels, right? And then, well, all right, okay, let's go.
Okay, Hamad has to go, so we're going to put the question. After Hamad goes, then we get into the rest of the stuff, okay? Tech host, please, what is your advice of the field of which we focus on the right? What would be, can somebody help tech host out? As he brings the next question up, tech host, give me 1 second. I'll get to I have him answer your question. Every day of the week is a different certification curated for people breaking newly into IT, right? So today is Wednesday, so Wednesday is Linux Plus. Tomorrow is going to be Thursday is Security Plus, Friday is Cloud Plus, Saturdays AWS Cloud Practitioner, Sundays AZ 900, Mondays Comptia A Plus, Tuesdays Network Plus. Long story short, if you're not following, follow. The idea is that if you're planning on taking these certifications, come on in, answer the question, see how well you're answering. If you find yourself answering with ease, you know you're ready for the certification. If you're struggling a little bit, some polishing is needed before you take the certification. You can tell that the people in the chat are highly knowledgeable people. So they range from people like me. They range from people like me and who have no experience in this, who people with 5, 10, 15, 25, 35 years experience. As Hamad is saying, sometimes the experienced people tend to bully a little bit by saying, let's move to the next one, aka Hamad. But they will answer your questions. Don't mind them. They will answer your questions, okay? So please do ask your questions. All I ask is that you're respectful. Other than that, I will block you, okay? But other than that, welcome in. Full video will be on YouTube too in the event that you want to watch it again. All right. Which of the following command will display the operating system? Also, if I missed your question, please bring it back, okay? Apologies for that. Okay, so I think C, I think B. Ooh.
Which one is that? I think we've seen this question before.
I know we've seen it before.
And I think what's the name? Is it
chocolate?
Yeah,
chocolate's not here today.
Yeah, something about
B. Okay, I jumped on the terminal and ran all of the. Did you really? Did you? All right. So with that, I'm saying B.
With B? Why B?
He said B. I jumped on the terminal. He said he jumped on the terminal. So I'm just gonna believe that he jumped on the terminal. So you think someone with 25 to 30 year experience is not well skilled for it? You know, tech hosts, what I find about these IT people is that they always learning, right? So for them, at least for Raymond, I can tell you for sure, even with all the experience and all the certification, he'll still tell you that he doesn't know anything. He's still learning. So, I don't know what was said before, but if that was the case. Anyway, what's the answer? How much has to go?
The answer is C.
C.
-O, operating system.
Oh.
O.
So C?
System. Yeah.
Are you gonna jump on the terminal?
I mean, I can jump on the terminal and run
okay.
it real quick. You name -O. Oh, hold on. Okay. Yeah, the OS. Yeah, okay. Let me see.
So the answer is C. Okay.
-O.
You have life experiences that tech. Okay, that's true.
Come again?
No. I'm just reading. You do your thing here.
Try -A. So -A would give you all.
Are you
right?
sharing the screen?
No.
Oh, okay.
-A will give you all the information, right?
Something okay.
Machine.
VD says, can you go for CSSP without 5 years of security knowledge? Can you take the CSSP without 5 years of security knowledge?
Yeah, you can take
Good night, Hamad. Thanks for joining.
However, you wouldn't be issued you wouldn't be it wouldn't be issued the certificate yet till you get your
for
5
how
years.
long? So say if the person just got into, let's say the person has 1 year of security knowledge, right? And they go take it, they would hold the certificate for 4 years?
I'm not too sure how many years.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not too sure.
Okay.
But yeah, they wouldn't give you, I forgot the name that they give it, but basically you are still CISSP in a way, by
in practice, I guess.
Yeah.
They make the thing so complicated. You would think you would get a $500,000 job with the certification, but
I mean, you can.
Okay.
You can.
All right. Wait. Somebody asked a question. I'm sorry. The dude said something. Are you running it? So the answer was C. Thank you, Smoked. Okay. It's C output. Okay. O outputs GNU/Linux. He said something about Mac. Hold on. Oh, I can't find it. Where did it go? Okay. Well, what is? Can you explain why I see?
Yeah. Okay. So let me share my screen here then.
What is VPN mainly used for? Oh, virtual private network.
Yeah.
Okay. CM, hold your question. After he finishes, I'll have him answer. Okay. I'm gonna write it down while he explains this one. But welcome in. If you're not following, follow. Today is Wednesday. Wednesday is Linux Plus. Tomorrow, Thursday, 9 p.m. Eastern Time, is going to be Security Plus. Friday, Cloud Plus. Saturday, AWS Cloud Practitioner. Sunday, AZ 900. Okay.
So uname -A, right?
Are you supposed to be scaring your screen or no?
Yeah.
You're not.
Oh, it's at the back. Okay. Thanks.
Okay.
Hold on, Carly. Move it up. All right.
Okay.
So yeah, uname -A will give you all the information, right? So I think it's uname. Yeah, it's all. Let me see if it's all. ALL. Let's see if it's the same thing. Yep, it's the same thing.
Okay, sorry. Dude says on Mac they both output Dolman.
Oh, they both output.
On Mac.
Okay.
All right. So I'm sorry. Continue. That's what I was looking
But
for.
so Mac is Unix operating system.
Okay.
Right. It's similar to Linux, but
I'm sure
they have
you know.
different behaviors. So
Okay.
yeah. So yeah, -A would give you all the information that you need, right? Every information, right? So, and then -O, which is the operating system,
All right, Carlos. The answer was C.
right? Will tell you that it's Linux, right? That is the operating system, right? -N will give you what the node or the host name -N,
Okay.
right? Kali. So that's the host name that I have here.
Okay. Just to
Right.
confirm, you said Mac is Linux or Unix?
Unix.
Unix.
So you have
Okay.
Unix and Linux.
Okay.
They are similar in a way. Yeah. Try -S, which is the kernel name -S. Kernel name.
Let me say it proper for 42. Kennel, like
Kennel.
popcorn, as Curious Joe had me learn.
Yeah. So S is kernel.
Uh-huh.
I don't think this is the OS, but let's try this. Uname -H. Let's see help, right?
DJ
Oh.
Easy says they
Dash.
both POSIX. POSIX.
POSIX.
Okay.
Yeah, so let's try this right here. So -S right here is what is the kernel name, right? So although it shows you Linux, what is it? -S shows you Linux. That is not the OS, right? It's the kernel name. -O will give you operating system, and that's what
Okay.
we need.
I think 223 said a joke that I don't get.
Okay.
It says Mac equals a lot of brewing.
Oh, I mean, brewing.
Okay. And then DJ, I answered. I don't know what that means, but I guess you guys get the joke. You have to explain the jokes to me, okay? I don't get the IT jokes. Ed says you can do man unnamed too. You will get the same info.
Yeah, but the man page gives you too much information, so I just wanted to do help to show the simple options or flags. Right?
Okay.
So yeah, man page should be the ideal command to use, right?
Okay.
To get more information about specific specific package manager. Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's what Homebrew is the package man. That's pop. Okay, thank you.
But there is other package managers out there for Mac, right?
Okay.
Oh, it's the popular. You're right. It's the popular
It's
one.
a popular one.
Mhm.
Okay. All right. You can always recognize a Mac. I can't.
Okay.
I can just recognize it by the physical, but not okay. Welcome in. As he goes to the next question, this is Tech Talk Room and Software. Every day of the week is a different certification. Curated for people breaking newly into IT, or if you're already in IT and you plan on taking a certification, we ask that you stop on by, answer the questions, see how well you're answering as you engage yourself. If you find yourself answering with ease, you know you're ready for the certification. If you're struggling a little bit, some polishing is needed before you go ahead and take the certification. Today is Wednesday, so Wednesday is Linux Plus. Tomorrow, Thursday, Security Plus. Friday, Cloud Plus. Saturday, AWS Cloud Practitioner. Sunday, Carlos, you gotta hear my preamble. I was holding it, so I can tell your experience, Carlos. There's always the experienced people that go to the next question. What is I saying? So Monday, Comptia A Plus. Tuesday is Network Plus. If you're not following, follow. Okay, thank
I
you.
hope Carlos is following.
Carlos, are you following? Are you? Oh yeah, he has. Scott, you're not listening. See, Carlos, this is why I have to say my preamble. I need to record myself. That's what I said I have to do. But anyway, and yes, that's all his AWS certification. So he has his golden jacket. He only wears it on Saturdays because he's not.
Yes, that is.
Because he's not taking it outside. So, yes. All right. A Linux
shoot.
administrator is creating. Where is Carlos? Carlos, the next question is on. A Linux administrator is creating resources using containerization and identifies key features including portability, high availability, and scalability in production. Which should the administrator choose? Oh, they can't see it.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Let's hide it.
Sorry.
Good. Let's hide Kali here, and let's hide it here. Hold on. Yeah. Why? Okay.
All right. You're not.
So which one do you think the answer is? So it says a Linux administrator is creating...
scalability. So scalability is between A and D. But seeing that I was stalling and y'all said, "Oh no, wait." I said between A and D, but now the answer is really between A and D. I don't know. Or I was leaning towards A. So I'm gonna say A.
Why are you saying A? What keyword in the question made you say A?
All the abilities from containerization is one.
Okay.
Then portability, availability, and scalability.
Okay.
Okay, what's the answer?
Okay. Well,
VD is saying is D.
What does Kubernetes do? What does it do?
I don't know. I haven't taken this. I don't know. I know Kubernetes is a container. Oh, VD. I'm switching my answer. Is D.
Why D?
I don't know. What's
Okay.
the answer? Give me help. What's the answer?
So the answer is D.
D.
Yep.
Orchestration. Thank you,
There
Yaya.
you go.
Hi, Yaya.
Right? So
Okay.
so yeah. So the answer is between what? A and what?
D. Okay, so
right?
I was right about that.
D, which is Docker, right? It's a container engine, right? Container engine, right?
Yeah.
Right. However, with the container itself, right, it doesn't help with what? It's container is portable, right?
Okay.
That is accurate, right? However, container or Docker itself is not highly available. It doesn't have high availability by default, and it's not scalable by default.
Okay.
Right.
So if it's not by default, that means it's there.
Yeah, it is there.
But you just have to set it.
Yeah, you have to set it by using Kubernetes or container Swarm, which is also container orchestration.
Swarm.
Swarm.
Okay.
SWARM. Right, those two options.
Swarm,
right.
Okay.
So container can just create a container and and that'll be it. Right. However, Kubernetes will take it to the next step by what? By allowing you to automate the scaling. Right. So if you have more customers, guess what? Kubernetes will be the agent or the tool that will automatically bring up multiple containers.
Right? Carlos, this says it was Swarm as well.
Swarm, yeah.
Okay. All right. Kubernetes is the best in the case. Okay. Semi-portable, not automatic. EC2 runs on Docker. VD says that Kubernetes will orchestrate the container / pods. I remember pods. So the nodes are highly available.
Yeah. And Kubernetes can also perform load balancing as well.
Okay.
Right. And that is the when the high availability comes in.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And I stay interested all the time, but by the time I leave here, I forget everything.
But I mean,
everything.
at least you as time goes on, you still remember some stuff, right?
No,
yeah, you do port 22. What's the port for network time protocol?
Oh, we did this yesterday.
Network time protocol.
1, 2, 3.
There you go.
Thank
right?
you.
So
okay,
you're still learning, right?
I remember that. Okay.
But yeah, so yeah, Podman. Remember Podman?
Oh yes, I learned Carlos all the time. I learned that there wasn't
Docker.
Docker wasn't the only one. There was Podman. It was one of the answer choices.
Yeah.
All right. It's supposed to be on for an hour. It's been an hour.
Yeah. So let me grab one more.
All right, this is the last question.
Just call it a day.
Oh, VD says and Kubernetes gives disaster recovery. Oh, Podman is Red Hat.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, by default. So that is why I don't have it on my Ubuntu.
Okay.
Yeah. No, hold on. No. Podman. I think it comes by default on all Linux OS.
Thanks, Gorilla.
Yeah, I think it does.
Tomorrow 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Okay, Security Plus.
Yeah, I think it does. If you want to use Docker, that is when you have to disable Podman and then install Docker. Yeah, but if someone knows otherwise, yeah, let me know. but I think it comes. The Podman comes default with Linux distributions. But
VD
anyways,
says, oh, thanks, Scott. VD says, when a pod breaks, it gets replaced. Who replaces the pod then?
Kubernetes. Exactly,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
And that's its job, right?
Okay.
And it's all about configuration, right? How you want it to bring it up, right?
Okay. You bring the next question, right?
Yes, I have the next question.
Right.
And that would be the last question.
This is the last
for
question
today.
because we're trying to be on for an hour. Because my attention span is for an hour. Dude says disaster recovery is harder than high availability. Oh, can you explain?
Yeah, why is it harder? Harder than? Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Because high availability. So hold on.
Okay.
What I mean, yeah, disaster recovery basically means when there's a disaster, right?
I mean,
we should be able to be up and running, right? And that is when you have the same replica of servers and infrastructure in a different location.
Okay.
Right? So that if there's a disaster, you can move to that
full
recovery.
Yeah. It takes a lot.
Yeah,
of
it takes a lot. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
So, which preamble? If you're not following, follow. Tomorrow 9 p.m. Eastern time is going to be Security Plus. Okay. All right. Which of the following tools is commonly used for creating CI/CD pipelines, command lines?
Which one? No.
Right.
No.
Oh,
it's
I said it with full
CI/CD. CI/CD. So that's continuous integration, continuous deployment, or continuous delivery. It's used interchangeably.
Okay.
But CI/CD.
All right. So, So we have a lot of Jenkins, but there was one B for Puppet. So what's the answer?
B. So the answer is C. Jenkins, right? Jenkins is for CI/CD pipeline. Chef, Puppet, and Ansible is configuration management. So if you have a whole bunch of servers and you want to make a configuration to it, right? A simple example: enable port 22 on hundreds of servers, right? You use what? Ansible, Puppet, or Chef to deploy that configuration.
Okay. What he said. Okay.
Git Action is my favorite. Yeah, and
GitHub Action.
Yeah, GitHub Action, and actually, it's. I don't want to say is the most used. I think it's the upcoming most used, right? Because Jenkins has been there for a while, and most organizations are using Jenkins, so it's difficult to move away from it, right?
Okay. I wouldn't. Okay, VD says I wouldn't recommend Jenkins. I wouldn't recommend Jenkins. There are better tools.
Exactly.
Okay.
There are.
Okay.
We have, what's the name of this? The Argo CD. It's also
Argo
good.
CD.
Yeah, good CI/CD tool as well, right? But yeah, most people have invested a lot in Jenkins, right? So it's difficult to move away.
It's like they paid an ad on Google. You know when you pay an ad and it's the first thing. Okay, Yaya is asking, which company has the best infrastructure in your opinion?
Infrastructure as in, is it cloud or?
Yeah, can you specify?
Yeah.
You know he's gonna like probe into the question.
Yeah.
And I also know that TikTok gives you a little limited characters for your question. So can you elaborate a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay. So as
it's
in cloud.
Yep, it is. Right. Oh, in cloud. Ooh.
You know he's biased.
No. I wouldn't. I'm not going to be biased, right?
Oh.
I can't emphatically say that it's.
Oh wow! You hear
AWS
the English?
or,
He can emphatically.
No. No. I mean, they all have their strengths and weaknesses, right?
Okay.
They all have their strengths and weaknesses. So I can't really say this is good. No.
So which one is the best?
No,
still can't answer that?
It depends on use case.
Okay.
Right? You might be performing generative AI or
Oh, somebody
AI
asked the AI question. I'm so sorry. I just remember when he said that.
Yeah.
If you're still here, please bring it back up, okay?
Yeah, AI tasks in the cloud, and Microsoft Azure might be the best one to use, right? In terms of its speed, right? Versus AWS, right? Okay. So and one of them might give you more options, other one might give you less option, right? So I think it's relative, right? Relative.
VD said he didn't like Jenkins. Argo is
CD.
GitOps. It's a lot of GitHub, GitOps. There's a lot of them. Jenkins will be Cabal at some point. COBO.
COBOL. So
Oh.
COBOL is actually
COBOL.
a programming language that was heavily used. So most companies use COBOL.
Okay.
But now it's deprecated, right?
Okay.
And it's even difficult to find engineers to work
Oh, really?
on those systems, right?
Oh.
Yeah, but with this AI generation, I think that there are platforms out there that can transform your COBOL code to modern languages. But yeah.
Oh, okay. Hey, Lord Virus. Yes, the answer was C. That was the last question for the day, though. So tomorrow's 9 p.m. Eastern Time is going to be Security Plus. Friday is Cloud Plus. Saturday is AWS Cloud Practitioner. Sunday is AZ900. If you by chance want to watch it again, it's the same name on YouTube right behind me. So same name, Tech Talk with Raymond Sackler, okay? If I missed any question, please bring it back before. GitHub, okay, Argo syncs with repos. With your production environment is more CD and not CI/CD.
CI/CD. Okay.
Tell me how I can deploy Oracle application with GitLab to their respective servers. C-Ronk, eh? C-Ronk.
Which one is it? Which question is
This
it?
one right here. Tell me how I can deploy Oracle applications with GitLab
To their respective
server.
servers. I don't know.
You don't know? Okay.
No.
Can somebody RRVS? Can somebody help C Ronk out? Jenkins, yes, the answer was C. Oh, y'all coming in, but we're about to leave. You have one more
But we're
question?
here tomorrow then.
Oh. Okay, one more question for the people coming in. If he doesn't, then unfortunately. The answer was C. Okay. Curious is a technology, so it's based on business needs. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I think which one have the best infrastructure?
And for everyone,
Yeah,
okay.
I
Does
think so.
does anybody know Ronk's question? How can one deploy Oracle application with GitLab to their respective servers? Okay, is this a school project? Is this work? Oh, I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah.
No more question?
I haven't worked with Oracle. No. Let's
Okay.
see.
Okay, we're just gonna try to see if there's one more question. If not, then tomorrow 9 p.m. Eastern Time. If you're not following, follow. Hi, Jamapel. Ça va?
Oui.
There's not an answerable question in. Oh, okay. Oh, C-Ronk, the people are very technical here. So, can you? They don't know how to answer that question. Can you rephrase it? I don't even understand it to help rephrase it. So, can you be kind of specific if that would help?
Yeah. I mean, does it have to be Oracle specific server? Does it really have to? So first I have IP address and domain name. I don't think it has to be Oracle specific.
The chat is too small to type it in.
Yeah,
I know. One of these days we're gonna try to, as we try to be influencers, we tried it one time. I'll try to bring people on.
Okay, so let's one.
Yes, this is Linux Plus 7343. After he says ça va bien, what am I supposed to say after that?
Merci.
Thank
you.
Merci.
Et toi, and you, right?
That's like continuing the same thing over and over again. But yeah, he already said he's good.
Using Dev.
I'm moving Oracle. Okay, so I'm moving Oracle app to use DevSecOps. They're deploying manually. I like to automate. What can I use?
Oh, yeah.
Somebody?
I don't know. I don't know.
Wrong. See, Ronk, if he doesn't know, he's not gonna make it up. Unfortunately.
I mean, probably have to do a few research
on it.
Yeah,
but I don't doubt that he'll find out for you. But
and I haven't worked with Oracle specifically, right? So it might probably take me a little longer than what.
It's still a big question. 42 Oracle Linux ideas. I'm sorry.
Again, big question.
It is a big question. You might need to break it down more. See, wrong. I'm trying to help out.
All right, so I have last thing.
I don't think GitLab is used to deploying code. I might be wrong though. Oh, GitLab you don't use.
Is that what?
Wrong said GitLab.
Yeah, I mean GitLab is similar to
GitHub.
Yeah, GitHub it performs the same.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, I think.
But he just said that. Have you used GitLab or do you use GitHub?
GitHub. I've used GitHub, but GitLab it's similar.
I know it's for hosting repos. Okay.
Okay.
GitLab is a code repository.
All right, so it doesn't do the CI.
Okay. Wrong.
It's open
Apologies.
source. Okay.
We self-host GitLab.
Okay.
That sounds super cool. I don't know what that means, but it sounds super cool. All right, welcome in. This is Tech Talk with Sakura. Every day of the week is a different certification. So today is Wednesday. So Wednesday is Linux Plus. Tomorrow Thursday is Security Plus. Friday is Cloud Plus. Saturday is AWS Cloud Practitioner. Sunday is AZ 900. Monday is Comptia Plus. Tuesday is Network Plus. Idea of this is if you're planning on taking a certification, come on in and answer the question. See how well you're answering. Gauge yourself. If you find yourself answering with ease, you know you're ready for the certification. If you're struggling a little bit, some polishing is needed before you take the certification. As you can tell, the people in the chat are highly knowledgeable people. They range from people like me who really don't know much about this thing to people who have over 35 years experience in the chat. So I say that to say that there's no such thing as a dumb question. Ask your questions. Unfortunately, yes, overclocked networking is Tuesdays.
Network Plus.
Network Plus specifically. So again, so ask your questions. Okay, the experienced people, sometimes they get impatient. But don't mind them. They will ask you a question, okay? I say all of this to tell you if you're not following, follow. We go live every day, 9 p.m. Eastern time. Full video of this will always be on YouTube. Same name, right behind me, okay? All right. A system administrator needs to... Oh, this is Raymond. That's all his certifications up there. Over 30 plus certification, okay? All right. C-Ronk is answering more, so I'm going to... will you ever cover Pen Test Plus? Not yet.
No, not yet.
Not yet. This is supposed to be beginner-friendly, Lolas. Just for now until we get to experienced people. Did somebody answer you? Oh, try using Kubernetes. Okay. All right. A system administrator needs to disable the NGINX server to prevent it from being automatically and manually started. Which command accomplishes this task?
All right. So Nginx is a web. Web process, right? So HTTPD or Nginx, right? I mean, there's other options out there.
Okay. Yes, sir.
What?
Oh, Jay, we don't do pen tests yet, unfortunately.
Okay.
We don't do pen tests yet. Sorry.
Yeah.
Not yet, but
web proxy. Yeah, that is the keyword.
Right? So what's the answer? I'm sorry.
Nginx. All right. So
wait, let
the
me tell you.
answer is actually C.
C.
I know. The answer is C.
Oh,
yeah.
This is controversial.
No, it shouldn't be controversial.
Okay. Yes, we'll do, Jay. We'll do. Okay, you're gonna have to explain this because a lot of people
it wouldn't be controversial.
Oh, C-Wrong. Thank you, 223 hype for answering C-Wrong.
Yeah.
Okay.
It wouldn't be.
Come back and tell us if it worked, okay, C-Wrong? Okay.
Yeah, mask. And I'm going to share my terminal in a few as well.
Why you do that? I'm gonna get some water.
Do that. So now.
Does that mean you're not about to end? What does that mean? Do that.
I think I probably have like one more, two more. Anyways, So yeah, the answer is C, mask, right? So the question is saying that system administrator needs to disable the NGS server to prevent it from being automatically and manually started, right? So those are the two keywords here: automatically and manually, right? With disable, right? It's going to what? It's going to prevent it, right? It's going to prevent it from what? From auto start. However, it can allow users to what? To manually what? Start up the what? Nginx, right? However, if you use mask, it will automatically what? Prevent it from restarting on its own, and then it will also prevent users from what? From manually what? Enabling the specific service as well, right? Yeah, this is a new concept to most people, but yeah, mask is the command that achieve both requirements here, right? So let me actually go to a terminal and then run a man command or help command on systemctl to see the options, right? Yeah. So disable will just disable it from automatically starting, but if a user goes into the system and try to start it, it will start up, right?
Okay.
Yeah, it is tricky.
Okay.
It is tricky.
Which Linux OS are you using? We are based New York, Connecticut, New Jersey. Depends where you're looking for. Sometimes Virginia. Depends who's looking for us. But around the area, okay.
Systemctl. Is it also Ubuntu? No, system. No, go ahead.
Which Linux are you? Kali? Is that the right one?
I'm using Kali right now, but I have Kali and Ubuntu running at the same
Kali
time.
And Ubuntu.
I have CentOS. I have Red Hat as well. I have.
Oh, you teach Linux. Oh, awesome.
Oh, really?
Welcome in. If somebody's looking to teach learn Linux Jumpstarter, well, I should vet you first before I tell people to come. Right? But I was trying to, I was taking your word for it. Oh,
Yeah,
and Ansible.
system
Awesome. Welcome in.
CTL.
Welcome
Okay,
in.
so it is. All right, let's see. All right, so that would work here.
Callie's the OG.
Let me bring it up on this end. All right, so system CT. Let's do the help page for now. Let's do dash.
Oh, you're sharing your screen. Okay.
Yeah, I'm showing. Yeah, let's do dash H, right?
Okay. If I missed your question, bring it back, please. I'm so sorry. I had to go get some water.
Okay, I probably have to. Okay, so start. It's a little hard to view.
Inferno. Linux is the foundation of the apparently. Oh, you mean he's smart? I'm just here to chit chat, but I'll say thank you on his behalf.
Start. Okay, so start units here.
Oh, really? Hi, Manny. Manny says instead of learning Linux, I learned scripting. Oh, Manny, I don't. These people are very Linux hardcore.
Oh, come on.
What? It's not working.
Yeah, it's a little small on the screen.
Is it too small on the screen?
Let me try to.
Because Manny, they keep saying that. They keep saying that. What is it? Linux is the foundation of IT or whatever they keep saying. So, but what is the difference between Linux and scripting? Oh, wow.
So scripting.
20 years. Oh, there. I heard of Debian like 2 days ago, or maybe a week ago. Debian based and
Red Hat. Yeah.
Something like that.
Based. All right. So is it okay now? Do you see it?
Is
okay.
Better?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
All right. So let me just quit this and then try the help command one more time and hopefully.
Okay, cool. Jumpstart. I'll check it out.
Okay? All right. So okay, we have start, right? One or more units. Okay, let's see. Do we have? Okay, it doesn't really tell you.
Albert Einstein.
Mask. Okay, so it doesn't really give you more information here. Let me see if the
Python.
man page.
Clearly, we're worrying about two different things.
Man page would give us that information.
Cyber on Wednesdays. Okay.
Okay.
What time is your webinars? Jumpstart.
Active.
Oh, okay. Scripting. Okay, scripting is kind of automatic. So scripting is like Linux.
/u mask. I mean, not mask.
Okay. Ubuntu is built on Debian. Okay, Linux is just like an OS like Windows. Okay. So whatever you do in scripting, you could do in Linux. Is that it?
I mean, no, scripting is a.
Oh, it's not like Linux.
No,
okay.
it's scripting is a generic what? Verbiage.
Oh, okay.
Generic
no, because
verbiage.
Manny was saying that I instead of learning Linux, I learned scripting, so I thought it was interchangeable.
No, because remember, Python is a scripting language, so it doesn't.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so did you learn Python then? Is that what I should? Oh no, he obviously said. Oh, Manny, elaborate please before I get. You could do scripting in all languages. Python, Bash. Oh, okay. So it's generic. Okay, so which scripting did you do, Manny? I'm just stalling as he does his stuff. So bear.
Yeah. So it's not really. Yeah, it's not really giving me the information that I need here permanently and this. Yeah, it's not giving me the right verbiage.
Okay, so what verbiage were you looking for?
Yeah, the automatic and manually start, but the man page doesn't tell us that. Okay. But yeah, the actual command is the mask.
Mask. Okay.
Let me. Yeah, it's not giving me the right verbiage.
Oh, it was on PowerShell. Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, scripting is just a generic name for a quick program in a way, but yeah, Python is a scripting language. You can use PowerShell. Bash shell is Linux specific. Yeah.
Oh, Ed said that. Ed also says that I think the man description is enough to understand the mask.
Oh, okay.
Cool.
Yeah. So anytime you want to automatically disable process or services, and also to prevent manually starting, right? You have to use mask. Right, disable will disable it from automatically starting. However, if a user logs in and run systemctl start nginx, it's going to start up. However, if you use mask and someone logs in and types systemctl start nginx, it wouldn't start up. Right, so that's the difference between this and that. Right, this and that.
Okay. So I'm sorry. The answer was what?
C.
The answer was
mask.
C. Okay.
And if you want to undo that, then you run what you systemctl unmask. Yeah, unmask to to revert the changes.
Hernando, the answer was C. So you would have to unmask before enabling. Okay. All right, K for Sue.
Right.
Welcome in. Last question. The next one is supposed to be the last question, hopefully. Welcome in. This is Tech Talk Woman Sakura, or aka the IT Study Room. Hi, Ty. And Cirolo, how are you? Every day of the week is a different certification. So today is Linux Plus. Thursday, thank you, Ed. Thursday, Security Plus. Friday, Cloud Plus. Saturday, AWS Cloud Practitioner. Sunday, AZ 900. Monday, Comptia A Plus. Tuesday, Network Plus. Yes, the answer was C. So again, if you're not following, follow. The full video of this will be on YouTube. This is supposed to be the last one, right?
Yeah, I think so.
It's gonna be the last question. So, Lola's taking everything you're not doing. Would you do AZ 104? Be considered?
No.
And Cyril, he's really dragging this Linux on too long. Lola, never say never, because Cloud Plus was never a part of it, so somebody suggested it. So hopefully, there's not enough days in the week anymore. And there's a 9 to 5, there's a toddler involved, so hopefully we'll get down to figuring out something.
All right.
Last question. After installing some RPM packages, a system administrator discovers the last package installed was not needed. Which command removes the package?
What is RPM? What RPM package?
I'm supposed to know what RPM is.
Somebody talk about Debian packages.
I'm sure I talked about this. Do I remember? I do not. I'm very sure you talked about it. Help. What is RPM, please? Oh, Red Hat. Red Hat. Says Red Hat. Red Hat package
manager.
Oh, package. Okay, Red Hat package manager. Oh, thank you. Red Hat package manager.
So the question.
Dude, I see what you're doing there.
Yeah. So the question has different commands, right? So this is also easy to answer in a way.
CSSP. We're waiting for you all this time.
Right. So now these are all package managers, right? However, remember we have Debian package managers and we have Red Hat package manager as well, right? So you have to know which one is for what. Okay.
So we have A or C. We have B. We have what's the answer?
The answer would be A.
A.
Yeah. So DNF, is it Dun something? I forgot the full name. I think
I know. I know. It involves basketball and all this one.
I'll go live outside. So DNF and RPM as well they are all Red Hat package managers, right? This is is Debian based. Right, so this should be out of the equation. So you should concentrate on this and that, right? However, -I here is for install.
Okay.
But the keyword here says remove. So you can't use -I to install it. So use
remove,
right? Most people are familiar with RPM, but they are not familiar with DNF.
Which Dude 42 says DNF replaces Yum.
Yum is also Red Hat package manager.
And then he says, do not forget. I don't know if that's DNF.
Is that it? No, I think it's Dundified something. I don't think it's do not forget.
Oh, you're doing AI? How's that going?
Oh, okay. Security. Cool.
How's it going? Okay. You made that up. Oh, I told you gotta explain it to me. Other than that, I'm just gonna read it and be like, yeah, he's right. Hi, Servant AGI. How are you? Okay, so, wait. Can you explain why it's not the rest? Because it was.
That's it. No, this is for Debian.
Okay.
The apt-get is for Debian based, right?
Okay.
This is our Red Hat package manager, which is DNF, RPM, and then Yum as well. Right?
Okay.
However, since this is using -I, which is install, the question is saying that remove. So why should we use -I to install the package, right? So you use remove. Right?
We are 178. Yeah, CSSP, that's what he says every time. Every single day he comes in, AI is moving too fast.
I mean, yeah,
This
technology.
AI is blowing our mind.
Yeah.
AI is changing the world.
Yeah, technology
every
in
single
general,
day. That's
right?
what I hear here.
Yeah, and that's why you have to keep up. You have to keep up. All right, let's try the next question here. This should be the last one.
Okay.
And answer, I don't want to hear anything. But anyways.
The last question was like 30 minutes ago. Oh.
Yeah, you can do yum remove. You can do
okay. The person that doesn't have a name says, which is the best certification for ADF and Databricks? They currently have AZ900.
Oh.
Can
I'm
somebody
not
help?
too sure. I'm not too sure.
Okay.
I don't know.
Can somebody help the person with no name? They can't even at you because there's no name.
So how would
I hope
you...
they add them. I guess maybe they press the name and they respond.
Oh, okay. Or reply something.
You only have 30 minutes, so this means the only right? This is supposed to be the last question. Hopefully. All right, so we have B. Oh, long story short, if you're not following, follow, okay? That was what I was supposed to say. So today is Linux Plus, tomorrow is Security Plus, 9 p.m. Eastern Time, privately, dear. Friday is AWS Cloud Practitioner, AZ, Sunday is AZ900. Okay. All right, a system administrator wants to look at the last 20 lines of a log. Which command will execute this? I've seen this question before.
Yep. Yeah, we have.
Isn't it fancy?
Yeah.
It's pretty fancy. If somebody knows how to help out. Unfortunately, if he doesn't, the person.
I'm not into
if he
data,
doesn't know,
data
yeah.
break,
He's not gonna make it up. Unfortunately, I wish he made stuff up sometimes just to answer my questions. But anyway, what's the answer, please?
The answer would be B, right? -N.
Mm-hmm.
So the tail command is a command that allows you to view the last line or last few lines of a file, right? So if you have a log file, remember, log file usually is lengthy, right?
Okay.
So you don't want to view every single one of them, right? And logs files are always appended, right, to the end of the file. So if someone logs in with the wrong password, it's going to be appended to the auth.log file, right? So if an administrator wants to find the last 20 logs that was added, you use what? -N, which is, I think, a number. Let me actually log in. Right. So this is Linux on share my screen, right? So -N is what? Is number of lines, right? -C is what? Number of characters. So individual letters or individual. So yeah, characters is individual. Anyways, right? -L, I don't think it's a valid Linux till flag. And we have -V. V is verbose. Yeah, so it gives you more detail of what it's doing, right? So yeah, so I hope that makes sense, right?
Okay.
So -N.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are you logging in now?
Welcome
in.
No,
We're about to end.
Okay,
don't need to log in. He doesn't need to log in, right? Okay,
fine.
good. Every day of the week is a different certification created for people breaking newly into IT. What is L? Oh, is it L or
no,
1?
L.
Oh, it does look
L.
like 1 though.
No, it's not a valid flag for tail.
Oh, it's not.
Yeah, it's not a valid flag.
Oh, okay. Seriously, said
L.
it's for Linux. I don't know if it is or what. Yeah, so tomorrow 9 p.m. Eastern Time is Security Plus. Friday is Cloud Plus. Saturday is AWS Cloud Practitioner. Sunday is AZ900. Mondays Comptia A Plus. Tuesdays Network Plus. Okay, so there's nothing like -L for tail. Okay, is there is there a head?
Yeah, we have tail, and so tail is what is the bottom half of the file, and then the head is the first. Yeah, so if you want to view the first.
Okay. So is there a -L for head?
Oh, I'm not sure. I have to look it up. I don't remember all the commands on top of my head. But if it's not for tail, I don't think it would be for head because it's the same.
Oh.
Yeah, perform similar task.
Okay.
So I don't think so.
Ricky says I use Arch, by the way.
Yeah, which is also a Linux. Yeah.
Oh, okay. It helps.
I haven't used it specifically. And I don't even know the use case for that.
Arch.
Right?
Okay.
Yeah, I mean,
What is the
Kali
use case for
Linux
Arch,
usually
please?
for security-oriented type of stuff. Yeah, I haven't used this.
So there's a whole sense of Linux that you haven't even touched.
Oh yeah, no, Ella. Yeah.
Is it that huge of a field?
It is.
Linux?
It is. Because remember, Linux is open source, so meaning someone can come up with their own Linux distribution versus Windows, right? Windows is not open source, right? You have to, Microsoft have to give you license to distribute or whatever. But so,
never understood what open source meant.
So so anybody can
many
build,
flavors. Thank you.
Build
So
on
now
top
you're
of
speaking
it.
my language. Thank you. Okay. Arch is for people who don't want to use Get2.
Okay.
Get
Gentoo. Which one is Gentoo? I don't know what that is.
Oh, do tell. What is Gentoo? I use Kali too. It looks like Kali is the popular one. Gentoo. Let me write that down.
But there are other Linux OS that is more powerful in terms of security oriented than Linux.
Gentoo is the one where you build everything from source. Oh, you use Rocky.
Wow. So there's Rocky. There's which one else?
Clearly, everybody has different flavors.
Rocky.
I like vanilla.
There's a lot.
Chocolate sometimes. Anyway, why are you laughing so hard? Is that Linux Mint or Ubuntu? Oh, is there really Linux Mint?
Yeah, there's Mint.
Okay,
There's Mint.
I just thought that.
I haven't heard of this. Is it
Ubuntu?
No, I haven't heard of that.
Ubuntu.
It's best. Really?
Who makes these names up? Ubuntu. All right, that was the last question.
Yeah, that was.
Okay, so tomorrow 9 p.m. Eastern time, please. Oh, there's a Mint in Ubuntu. Oh, Ubuntu's old. The name's so funny. I'm sorry. Ubuntu. Ubuntu. Admiral says Ubuntu is stripped down version of Ubuntu from Canonical.
There's a lot. There's a lot.
Ubuntu is LXC version of Ubuntu Desk Africa.
Ubuntu too.
Are you serious or are you joking? I can't tell. You have to tell me if you're joking.
Okay.
Why are you looking for more questions?
Let's try one more.
NC Roll, you still here? Danny, there's no.
Yeah, let's.
Hi, NC Chucker. How are you?
Last one for tonight.
Are you sure? Because I'm tired of.
Yeah, this is the last one. That's the last one.
Okay, sure.
The last one. Anybody that comes.
Oh, so Ubuntu is the KDE version. Wow. So, all right. So the different flavors, they all do the same thing.
I don't want to say the same thing, right? Because remember, Linux is open source, right? So it has a base task or base use case, right?
Okay.
However, if I want a specific use case that is not part of the default ones, I can build my own Ubuntu Linux, right? So it's I think they have different features throughout those distributions.
They do the same. Okay,
yeah,
that is the same thing they do. Okay, because I'm wondering why so many different open source if it does the same thing. You know what I'm saying?
I think it's some have other features than the others.
That's
free.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, but Kali is the best known used one.
Kali? Right? No. Kali is for security oriented. But there's better ones than Kali. Yeah, there's other ones that are.
Right. So if you learn one, you could basically use everything.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So master one. So which one? Ubuntu is most used. Oh, okay. So now.
Is it Ubuntu or Red Hat?
So which one is user friendly for the rest of us that is trying to learn first? Hi, Siv. I like you. Mint. Which one is user friendly, beginner friendly?
There's no such thing as Linux beginner friendly.
Oh.
Because you have to know the same command. You have to know the same tail, the same. Yeah, so it's not. Yeah, I can't say user friendly.
There's a mint cinnamon. Okay, I'm just gonna read
enough of the flavors. There's parrot. Yeah, parrot too.
There's
is
a
there.
Mint cinnamon. There's no way. There's different mint. Mint is mint. Hi I can't believe this. Okay.
Yeah, so this will be the last question.
We've been the last question for the past 40 minutes at this point. But this is Tech Talk with Sako. Every day of the week is a different certification curated for people breaking newly into IT. Today's Wednesday, so Wednesday we do Linux Plus, Thursday Security Plus, Friday Cloud Plus, Saturday AWS Cloud Practitioner, Sunday AZ 900, Monday Comptia Plus, Tuesday Network Plus. Long story short, I say all of that's just to tell you if you're not following, follow. Full video will be on YouTube, same name behind me if you're planning on watching it over again. This is Raymond. That's all his certifications up there, over 30 plus certification, including CSSP and all his 8-base certifications. Okay. All right. So a Linux administrator needs Java 7 and Java 8, both locally available for developers deploying containers. Currently, only Java 8 is available, which command ensures both versions are available. Okay. You can always learn Linux on VM or Linux desktop environment. Oh, okay. Good to know.
Okay, so that would be the user-friendly option,
okay,
right? To have the graphical user interface part of it.
Okay, so for the beginners like us, put it on your computer, as they say. Okay, so we have image pool. Okay, so B. Joe made my job a little difficult. I'm like, which one is image pool? So we have Ziv. Okay, Cali. Okay, B. All right, majority saying B, so I'm gonna say B too. Okay. That's okay, Joe.
Yeah. So I mean, this is Docker specific, right? So okay. Yeah, and what I've seen from so the answer is B, by the way, right? What I've seen from when I took the Linux Plus and now is there's more of container type of questions.
Because that was actually a good segue. Kick It Black Rock says that is this really the type of questions on the exam?
Oh yeah.
In a real job, you just look it up, right?
Yeah, no, you're gonna look it up. You're gonna look it up. Yeah, but for the certification, you have to know, right? Okay. And you can look it up, right? And that is the difference between taking 5 minutes to fix an issue versus 2 hours to fix an issue, right? If there's an outage in an environment, you work in a Linux system, right? If you know exactly the command to run, you go straight and fix the issue. Okay. Then now I'm going to look it up. Is it the right command? And maybe that command is not even the right one, right? Similar to disable and umask, right? It's similar commands, right? So you might think, okay, disable might be the ideal command to run. However, that is not it, right? Okay. So you can look it up, but the difference is taking X amount of 5 minutes to fix the issue versus 2 hours, right?
Oh, really? Ken said this question is an A+ exam. Is it?
A+ too. Okay. So
here I thought A+ was B. Do says this is a weird question because in most real situations you would only run containers on a container host.
Container on a container host.
Okay.
Locally, I mean, so are you talking about locally available? Is that what you are referring to, right? Even the container host. So container host is basically a server, so it can be available locally on a container host. I'm not sure if that's what you're taking. You're referring to.
Matt says it's as hard as learning chat commands on how to use a cash register. It's not hard once you get it. Oh, okay. He says that all the time. Once he says it's like riding a bike. Once you get it, you get it. But here, I just learned how to ride a bike not so long ago. So, Du says in this situation, I think it will be to install the Docker first. Okay, so just confirm. What is the answer?
B.
Okay. So what was the point of saying the Java 8 and all those? What was the point of saying that?
Says different. So the whole point of container is it's similar to a virtual machine, right? Okay. But Docker specifically is for
it's gonna be on YouTube. Same thing.
Application specific, right? So if I want a website, right? There's a container that is specialized for a website, which is HTTPD container, right? There's different containers for different use cases, right? Okay. So in this case, they want the container that has Java installed on it, okay, right? So now it says that a Linux administrator needs Java 7 and 8, both for locally available for developers deploying containers. Currently, only Java 8 is available. Which of the following will ensure the both versions are available, right? So use Docker pool. So when it comes to Docker, we have Docker registry, right, which is an online repository where all these containers are, right? So we have online. In order for you to have it on your laptop, right, you have to run the Docker pool. So it pulls it from the online repository and then make it available on your laptop or server, right? So you have the Java 8 image on here, right? In order for you to create a container out of that image, you run you type Docker run and then the name of the image, and then now it becomes a container.
All right. And so you've explained, but before I get to Ed, Dude says the question. Oh, wait, hold on. Ed says I think he's talking about the locally or VPS for what Dude said before, and then Dude says this question is just checking if you know Docker, so the scenario is convoluted. And then Ed says, dude, you're going too far. Let's just say you want to cook and you have onions and you're missing tomatoes. What do? You cook with the onions, right? I mean, no, you add no, that's not good. So wait a minute, what do you cook?
Yeah, you get it from the store. Right.
Oh, so you go to the store. Oh, you go to the store. Oh, it depends what you're cooking though, because if you have the steak and you don't need tomatoes, then you don't need, So, all right. Dude says if you're doing development, then you are using Docker. You probably have permission to run Docker, and then you go get to the from the store, the refrigerator. Okay, got it. Therefore, you can. hopefully that will help somebody remember. Therefore, you can run Docker pool. Okay, all right. Was that the last question?
Yeah, that's the last question.
Thank you for joining. So tomorrow, 9 p.m. Eastern time is going to be Security Plus. Fridays, Cloud Plus. Saturdays, AWS Cloud Practitioner. Sundays, AZ 900. Monday, Comptia A Plus. Tuesday, Network Plus. Don't forget Docker needs a config file.
What do you mean config file? What do you mean config file?
I really was 2 to 3 something. I was like, it depends what we're cooking.
Yeah, what do you mean config file?
YML.
YAML file. Because remember, if you are building your own Docker, right, then you need the YAML file. However, if you are pulling the image from repository, you don't need YAML file.
Wait, is the YAML the same thing as YUM? Because there was they said YUM earlier.
No, YUM is the package manager.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so if you want to build your own container from scratch, you need the YAML file, right, to build it, right?
Dude 42 says administrator needs to config Docker is what they mean.
Okay.
I like how you guys understand each other. Ed and 42 understanding. Most developers build container and then they push it. Yep. Okay.
Yeah, but in this case, they are using the remote repository.
But I think what Ed was trying to say that I guess don't forget that you need config too. Okay. Just for future. For the tomatoes, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so tomorrow is going to be for the 500th time. Tomorrow is going to be Security Plus. Friday's Cloud Plus. Long story short, if you're not following, follow. This is Tech Talk with Mensakwe. That's Raymond's certifications. If you want to follow him on LinkedIn too, you can. If you want to, yeah. If you want. All right. Thank you for joining. Truly appreciate your expertise. I hope so. The newbies learned. All right. I didn't, because by the time I leave, I forgot everything. Yes, you are the tomato guy. I am going to call you Ed the tomato guy. Good night. All right, Thank you for joining.
See you all hopefully tomorrow. Security is everyone's business, so see you tomorrow.
Here he goes with the security is everybody's business. All right. Push it to pull it out there.